Hello guys. So today's interview question is mainly the most important scenario is identify the second highest salary in each department. So the problem statement is you have to identify the second highest salary. Okay. So the scenario is the challenge is you have to retrieve the second highest salary for each department in company. So it tests your knowledge of ranking functions and group based operations. So tips is mainly you have to use the window functions like row number or dense rank and understanding the partition by. So use the partition by class and filter the results. So once the rank is get, we have to filter the results. The rank equals to 2 and validate the data also. So for this, I have used with the employee table. I created with the employee table is so employee ID, employee name, department ID, salary. Okay. So for this, I had taken the three departments. One is the HR department, IT department, and marketing department. So for this, I have considered 8 records. So this is the sample data only. So for this, first we had to check with the step number 1 called as first assign the rank. Assign a rank to salaries within each department. Okay. So this salary is called as assign the rank is by using dense rank we had to assign the salary rank. So first I will go with to select from employee. Okay. So for this I'll use with first employee ID, employee name, and department ID and salary. Okay. After then I'll use with the dense rank. Open the brace over partition by. So here we have to partition based on department. Okay. So department ID, order by salary, TESC as salary rank. Okay. So up to this one, we'll get with employees something employee name. Employee name. So if I execute this part, see, I'm getting the salary rank. So rank is 1, 2, 3. So for example, if consider as department ID 101. So for 101, I'm getting this 1, 2, 3. 102, I'm getting 1, 2, 3. 103, this one. Okay. For this, I'm getting with the step number 1, assign a rank to salaries within each department. Now I'll go with step 2. Step 2 is filter the records. That is filter for the second highest salary in each department. Okay. So I have already this data is that I'm getting this rank, salary rank. So now what I can do is I'll try to write with employee ID, employee name, department ID, comma, salary. Okay. From okay. Now from I will paste the above query, same query, and this one I'll call as ranked. Okay. So if I execute this part, same thing I'm getting, right? Now I had to apply with the filter where salary rank equal to 2. So now I will get with the only 2 records. Okay. So employee ID 2, this is the second highest salary. Okay. So this way we had to identify with the second highest salary. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you know any other alternate method, so please try to comment in the video. We'll see. Okay. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.